I want you to be literally superhuman. I want you to have power and feel like the man and confident in any situation. And today, I'm going to give you 5 habits that you can deploy in your everyday to give you that feeling. Like number 1, becoming an autodidact. You've probably never heard of that word before. But you've probably heard of these men. Thomas Edison, Ernest Hemingway, Leonardo da Vinci, Albert Einstein. All these guys were autodidacts. In other words, these are the people that are not limited to schooling for their education. All of these great men were able to self-educate themselves on top of the schooling that they received. So it's not that schooling is a bad thing. It's that you should not just limit yourself to schooling, and you should become an autodidact. In other words, you should be obsessed with learning more and educating yourself. And if those men were able to do it pre-internet, today, with the power that you have with your cell phone, with your computer, there is no reason why you cannot be just as smart. Number 2, you want more time? Try polyphasic sleep. Look, every rich person will tell you this. Money's not the most valuable asset in the world. Time is. I can always make an extra $100, extra 100,000, extra $1,000,000. You always can remake money. You can never make time. You can never bring it back. Once a day's gone, it's gone. So having more time in the day will literally give you superpowers. And to do that, cut back in the sleep. Most of you are sleeping 8 to 10 hours a day. That means half your day gone. What if you could operate in 6 hours? Now you have 18 working hours, but you want to do so in a healthy way. So this is where this type of sleep comes in, where you will sleep for 4 hours at night, right? So a solid 4 hours, and then for the other 2 hours, you're going to break it up in 4 30-minute naps throughout the day. Meaning, you sleep your 4 hours, you wake up, you start working. As you start getting tired, you go for a 30-minute nap. You wake up, you start working. As you start getting tired, you go for another 30-minute nap. What this does is it trains your body to quickly go into REM sleep according to the theory. And now, not only are you sleeping less, about 6 hours, you're getting that deep sleep, which is what your body needs to recover, which is allowing you to think more creatively and freely because you still feel energized. And now you have 18 hours in a day to work with. Number 3, protect against blue light. Look, the light that our devices emit are not natural. Our bodies are not supposed to be exposed to this. That means your computer, your phone, your tablets, we're not supposed to be exposed to this. And that's why you're getting the headaches, the strain, the mental fog. Not to mention, you're not getting great sleep because blue light confuses your mind and it messes up your melatonin levels, making your mind send signals to your body that it's still daylight outside, so you have to stay awake. That's why you can't sleep at night. You're always restless. You need to protect against blue light. This is why I love our blue light blocking glasses from Essentials. Look, with blue light blocking glasses, you not only look better, because this is why I love our blue light blocking glasses from Jade Black. See, Jade Black not only makes you look better, right? When you wear glasses, you look smarter, you look more attractive, your face is more structured, but they also protect against blue light. With Jade Black, I wanted to create frames that you would be proud to wear today and the next 3 years. All our stuff is handmade with Italian acid. I'm talking the best materials in the world, but they're affordable. That way, anybody can have access to premium frames that not only make you look good, but also protect your eyes. All our frames have blue light blocking technology. So every time you're on your phone or your computer or your tablet, all that blue light is being absorbed by the frame so it doesn't damage your eyes. And now when you take them off, you stop being on your phone, you won't have the headaches. You won't have the mental fog. And more importantly, your melatonin levels will stay normal. So now when it's nighttime, you can go to sleep comfortably. Boys, if you guys want frames that will literally give you superpowers, you guys have to check out Jade Black. On top of your boy, you're going to look like Clark Kent. You're going to look like Superman, bro. You just look more attractive. You look structured. I'm going to have a link down below for our blue light collection for Jade Black. And if you guys click the link down below, in the next 24 hours, you can buy any 4 frames from Jade Black from our blue light collection and get $100 off from the entire collection. So you can get the frames. Bro, I think it comes out to like 20, 30 bucks a frame. Like, it is an absolute steal, and if I were you, I wouldn't miss out. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. Number 4, take cold showers. It is insane just how much scientific study and research has gone into cold showers. It can increase or have higher levels of your alertness. It can reduce your stress levels. You will have increased willpower. You will have a more robust immune system. It's even tied with weight loss and a faster metabolism. It all is forcing yourself to take a cold shower in the morning. It doesn't even have to be long. After your regular shower, put that thing all the way cold and just stand there for a good 3 minutes. Take the shock and receive all those benefits. Number 5. Intermittent fasting. You're going to save money because you're not going to eat as many times during the day. You're going to gain energy because according to studies, the less amount of times you eat, you actually gain more energy. You're going to lose fat because it's been linked to helping spark up your metabolism. And here's a crazy one that I didn't know until recently. Increase your lifespan. Scientifically, it's been proven that the less you eat, the longer you can lengthen your life. That's crazy. It is a literal superpower. You know how many people would wish to live an extra year, an extra 6 months that are about to pass away? You can add that to your life by just skipping breakfast. And finally, number 6, to hit cardio. Here's something most of you don't understand. Weightlifting is great because it builds muscle structure. So as you age, you still remain with a solid frame. You can move, you can do things for yourself. So when you're 60, 70, 80, you're still solid, right? But most of you forget about cardio. Because cardio sucks, right? Nobody wants to do cardio, blah, blah, blah. But if you want to lengthen your lifespan, you need to increase the health of your heart. How efficient is your heart at beating? Your heart is a muscle and it'll wear out. It beats every minute. If you have unhealthy cardio and your heart's beating faster than it should, you're basically wearing it out. Whereas people that are endurance athletes, they are so well trained, they are so efficient that their resting heart rate sometimes will be in their 40s or 50s. So that means they are twice as efficient as a regular human that can be in the 80s or 90s, and therefore the health of the heart can last longer because it's not beating as much. This is why HIIT cardio is so amazing. HIIT workouts are amazing because you get both muscle building and cardiovascular benefits that are not only going to lengthen your life, but you also remain more functional during that longer lifetime.